Hi everyone, I'm Kayslyn, your goal-oriented general virtual assistant, and welcome to my channel where we talk about marketing and everything online. Virtual Fusion always strives to lead the way when it comes to development and discovery. We take control of every task given and give it our best. We plan step by step to pursue specific goals. It helps us prioritize things. Voice your opinions of authority because we value you. What you say matters and it should be heard. As a general virtual assistant, I can offer services like social media management and create engaging posts on different platforms to communicate with your target market. I also offer chatbot setup so you don't need to manually reply to all your inquiries, create website, audio and video transcription, and customer relations management. If you're a business owner and you'd like to learn more about how to promote your business online, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more updates. Thank you!